Top 10 beautiful waterfalls. Let's begin. Number 10, Iguazu Falls, colossal multi-level marvel. Number 9, Yosemite Falls, majestic cascade in California. Number 8, Angel Falls, world's tallest in Venezuela. Number 7, Gullfoss Golden Waterfall, Iceland's volcanic scenery. Number 6, Victoria Falls, enormous water curtain, rainbow mist. Number 5, Plitvice Lakes, turquoise waters, Croatia. Number 4, Skogafoss, powerful waterfall, green cliffs. Number 3, Niagara Falls, iconic horseshoe-shaped wonder. Number 2, Kayatur Falls, giant and untouched Guyana rainforest. Number 1, Detchen Falls, wide cascading beauty, tropical mountains.